Hi, my name is Julie and I am with Off the Wall Quilt, and I'm here today to introduce you to your new AQSR Adjustable Quilt Strip Ruler. So I've unwrapped my ruler and I find the instruction sheet, the orange guide, which is on top of the ruler right now, and then of course my ruler. Inside the instruction sheet, you'll find a packet that has wing nuts and Sew Tacky Technology strips. So for now, I'm going to open up my instructions and set them to the side where I can read them. I'm going to take my orange guide and look closely at it. And as you can see, one side of the hole is open wider than the other. And that's so that the head of the screw can sink right down in there and be level with the guide. So right now my wider side is facing up. I'm going to flip the guide over so the wider opening is facing down. And then I'm going to put the whole piece underneath my ruler. Now I go to my packet of parts here and I'm going to get my two wing nuts out, and my I'll leave my Sew Tacky Technology in there for right now. So I take apart a wing nut and I bring the screw up from the bottom right through the hole and up through the slit there, okay? And then put the wing nut in place. Now I never want to tighten up my wing nuts really hard on acrylic. They don't need to be, they're not gonna have any pressure against them, just enough to hold it. All right, and then I'll take the second one and install it down at the other end. Now that I have my guide in place underneath, I'm going to go to my Sew Tacky Technology strips and take out some of those. Now, this is the raised finger guard over here on my ruler. I'm going to flip the ruler over so that raised edge is underneath and this is all smooth. I'm going to want to put about 5 of these on the edge of my ruler. So I take a piece here and I remove the paper on it. I put it in place and press it on nice and hard. Then when I repeat it, and when I'm ready to use it, I'm going to peel off the thin plastic cover that's on here, and you'll feel it's nice and tacky underneath it.